Okay.
Då kör vi nu, varsågod.
My name is Stephen Savage. I work at the Swedish Defence Research Agency in Linköping. Here during the Graphene Week to participate in the Graphene Sensors Workshop. The purpose of my visit here is to actually to add the finishing touches to a study we've been doing on potential applications of graphene and mainly graphene technologies in defence applications.
What kind of applications could graphene be used in your area?
So in my department we're looking specifically at photodetectors, ideally broadband, visual wavelengths, infrared wavelengths, uncooled, low energy consumption, small, compact, cheap, we would like also. So photodetectors, looking a little bit further into the future, high frequency electronics for radar systems, small compact radar systems, antenna, terahertz technologies for detecting, shall we say, hidden dangerous objects, weapons, explosives.
So there are many applications then, but when do you think this might be realized? How many years ahead are we talking from your perspective?
Well, it's not really my timetable that governs this. This is really, should we say, the responsibility of funding agencies, and also we should remember industry has a very important role to play here, because we, as a research institute, we don't develop things, we demonstrate the possibilities. We hope then that industry will take up these possibilities and make these into products which we can use.
So what was the most rewarding things here today, yesterday and today?
I think during the Graphene Sensors Workshop, it's been firstly the creating a contact network, the emphasis on applications. There's been very much spoken about the potential of graphene, and this morning a provocative question was raised. Isn't graphene getting a bit boring? I agree, we should be talking about what we can do with graphene now. It is of course a highly important source for academic research, but more importantly now there's a lot of money being invested. We need to start talking more and more about applications. Industry needs to be more demanding. I say, oh, that looks interesting, but you need to focus on this property or that property. We need to be raising we call it the technology readiness level from, in some areas it's very low today, it might be 1 or 2, and we need to be raising up to 3, 4, 5. Because at that point then industry becomes more interested in taking this to the next step of prototype, demonstration, and eventually we hope products. And that's been the focus. It's been an industrial workshop. We're still talking a lot of issues which are mostly of academic interest. We are raising shall we say, the temperature of the subject and talking more of applications. And that's really why I've been here today. At my institute, we don't develop things, but we demonstrate potential. And it's been a very productive workshop. Been some stimulating discussions, and I've made some useful new contacts also.